job, Kaden.
Yeah, good job, bud.
Got a fish. Fish.
Look at that.
Healthy one, huh?
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Lacey Kaden Living Fun 101. Today we are here with Kaden, and we are fishing today, right? Aren't we, Kaden?
Yep. Just caught a fish.
Yeah, you just got a fish. Good job. All right, so we're gonna wait to catch the next fish. Guys, Kaden just got a fish and he's reeling it in right now. Get it, Kaden. Get it, Kaden. Come on, dude. You got it. You're right there. Get it, Kaden.
It's a big one.
Oh, crap.
Right, stop reeling now. Walk back.
Walk back.
Walking back.
Going back.
Walking back.
We got one. Good job. Look at that one. Woo. Good job, dude.
Nice fish you're taking with that one? Yeah. All
Good
right.
job.
Maybe my
That
glove.
was huge.
That was
Good job. Look at that fish.
You want to hold it or no?
I'll hold my fish.
The
Look at that fish. Good job. Alright guys, Kaden is getting another fish again. We're getting a lot of fish today, guys. Woo! Good job, Kaden. Keep going, Kaden. You got it, dude. Just get it, Kaden.
I know.
The orange ones are in that little.
Here comes the fish. Well, Kaden, you got it, dude. Good job.
I don't know.
Keep going, Kaden.
Number 3.
Number 3, you got your third one, dude.
Except we didn't film. Did we film the first one?
Yep, we got all of them so far. There's the other fish. Yeah, good job, dude. Here, look. Good. Yes, good job. The fish. Yeah, look at that fish.
Good.
Yeah. Good job, Kaden. All right, guys. Kaden got another fish.
Picture of that
Good job, Kaden. Good job, dude. Look at that fish. Kaden just reeled in. Good job, dude.
Hold on.
Good job, dude. Woo! Good job. Good job, Kaden.
Got it?
Got it, Kaden? Get him.
Three. Well, I'm trying.
Get him, dude.
Stand up.
Good job. Alright, guys. Kaden got another fish.
This is my 6th one.
Yeah. This is the 6th one. Good job, dude. Keep reeling it. Keep reeling it, dude. You got it. Is it dead? It looks dead. Look at that. Kaden caught that one. Good job, dude. Alright guys, I think this is gonna be the last fish of the day. Kaden's getting it. Get it, Kaden! Look at that. That's a huge one. Good job, dude. Good job. Look at that. Look at that. That just splashed all over me. Good job, dude. Show your mom after that. Good job, dude. Oh, Kate, hold it. Get it. Guys, looks like this isn't our last fish. Kaden got another fish. Get it, Kaden. Reel in that fish. Reel in the fish. Do you need help? You got it? Get it, Kaden! Get it! Kaden got one! That's a little fish. Alright, looks like we lost another fish, guys. Lost another fish. Guys, we are going to take off. Kaden's getting another fish. Good job, dude. No, is that big, Kaden?
That's the biggest fish yet.
It's a big fish. Good job, U-Tile. I call him U-Tile and chicken noodle soup now. Good job. Oh, okay. Alright guys, so we're going to end the video here. We just got off the boat and we got Subway with Kaden. And so we're going to end the video here. So thank you guys for watching.
If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos that we post later on in the future.
Yep,
And we'll
tomorrow.
see you guys on the next one.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.